Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today I'm going to share something delicious and special with you that I make for my husband. I created this recipe because he really enjoys burgers and fries, okay? So this burger recipe tastes just like hamburger, that you won't even believe that it's not burger meat. And I know, we're not trying to, make something that tastes like a burger. We all vegan, vegetarians on this channel, plant-based. But I wanted to make this for my husband because he missed having burgers and he didn't want to keep eating those Beyond Burgers, and it can get quite pricey. So this burger is convenient, super easy to make, guys, and it's worth the cost. So let me show you how I quickly put that together. All right, so first we're going to start with our dry ingredients. The first thing you'll need is some Vital Wheat gluten. So if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a protein that is low carb. We used to use it all the time in our bakery. So this kind of creates that meaty feel once you blend it together with seasonings and some water, and it gives you a really good texture. And some people make seitan with it. To make it easier for you to find the Vital Wheat gluten, I provided affiliate link below in the description so you can purchase it. You'll need 1 cup of the Vital Wheat gluten, 1/4 of a cup of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or regular flour. All right, so I set the dry ingredients aside, so let's get the wet ingredients mixed together. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or grapeseed oil, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we're gonna whisk that all together. So now we're gonna combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and get that all stirred up. See, it's already starting to look like, meat texture. Hey guys, I wanted to get on and share some exciting news with you. So most of you guys know I've been working on a new plant-based cookbook, and it's done. This cookbook contains 40 delicious recipes, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. It's perfect for those who are new to plant-based cooking, or if you're living a busy lifestyle, or even if you just want something quick and easy to prepare but tastes delicious. This cookbook is definitely for you. I put a link in the description so you can order your cookbook today. All right, so now back to the video. So after you stir it for maybe about 30 seconds to almost a minute, then we're going to get in there with our hands and start kneading it. So you're going to knead this for about a minute to build up that gluten and just to get that texture that we're looking for. So we're looking for that texture, almost like a ground beef texture. So when you pull it apart, see, you should see those strands in it. See that texture. So we're going to separate it into 6 patties or 6 portions and try to make it even. So let's see, like that. As even as possible, And we can pull from the other one, of course. Wait, what did I do? I did 8. Let's start all over. What am I doing? What? Hello, I can count, really I can. All right, let's start that all over, okay guys? Help me out here. All right, so we're gonna separate it into 3 and then 3, and that makes 6. All right. Oh boy, somebody needs to go back to school. Okay, now we're gonna make 6 portions. All right. And if one of them looks a little smaller, you can pull from the other one. All right, so now we're gonna take each portion and just form it into a patty. And we're gonna make these into nice thin patties. because they just taste better that way. But you can actually make them into 4 and make juicier, thicker patties. But these will be juicy even if they're thinner. I just like the way they taste and how they feel in your mouth. So make them kind of like rough, like that. Let's do another one. So you just roll it into a little ball, semi-ball. Because you want it to be like that so it can get that nice meaty texture. At least that's the way I like to do it. There you go. All right, so turn your eye on medium to high heat, and we're gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan. I like to use grapeseed oil. So we're gonna add the oil so it doesn't stick. I say about a tablespoon or so. Let that pan get nice and warm. We're gonna add our burgers. So we're gonna cook the burgers for 5 minutes on this side, then flip it over and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes on the other side until they get nice and brown and cooked through. So you want to kind of get it dry around the edges, and you want to get it like that charred grill kind of look. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Usually it gets dry around the edges right here, but you want them all to look like that. And it's gonna get, see that? It won't be so glossy. But let me check this one. And you can flip them more than one time. It's not like you have to, yeah, that's not done yet. It's not like you're gonna get them really super dried out if you flip them more than once and get them more color on each side. Oh, flip them. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. That looks good. So once you flip the burgers, you're gonna baste it with a little more additional oil because this is gonna give it that rich, meaty taste and that fattiness that, most burgers have anyway. All right, so I added the cheese on the burgers and I'm just gonna cover it up so that it can start melting. Okay guys, so the burgers are all done and look delicious. So I just made it simple for him because he don't like a bunch of stuff on it, Hey, you don't. So this is just a double cheeseburger with some tomatoes and ketchup, all right? So I brought them on so you can get, oh, excuse me. This is my hubby, Jimmy, just in case you guys don't know. Say hi.
Hi.
And so he's gonna try it again to see if it really was that good.
Okay.
You said you liked it before, so.
All right.
No pressure.
No pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So it's a double cheeseburger with tomatoes on it, and there's no sauce on it right now.
Mm-hmm. Put a little bit of ketchup on it. So I just need for you to describe the texture is good, the taste, the flavor, and also you can, pull a piece of the meat off to see it by itself, how, it really tastes. Actually, I have them here.
Oh, well.
So there's the other 4. So they make 6, of course. So go ahead and take a
I don't want to mess up another one. I'll just take it up here.
Oh, okay.
Because I want to save those for later.
Okay.
Actually, it's meat-wise, that's what the meat looks like right now.
Yeah, can you take another piece off and show them inside the camera? So that way they can really see that texture. That's why I said I can break one of these in half.
Break one of those.
Because this will be mine then, okay? So that's what it looks like. So I like to flip it over at least twice so it can get that meaty texture.
That's really good.
And really firm. So when you pull it apart, look at that. It's good, huh? It's just like a burger. That's all I got for you today. But so, what, do you think it's really good? Like before, same.
I think it's.
Because the first time wasn't a fluke, then, right?
No, this is actually. You know, it's funny because this is more like a hamburger.
Like a hamburger.
So the texture, the taste, the flavor. It's not one thing about like the meatless patties or whatever. They have a different kind of a. I don't know, like a weird
texture and
sponge something.
Yeah.
It doesn't really mimic meat. It mimics something. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't mimic meat.
Right.
But these are actually, they actually look like hamburger patties, which is kind of amazing, or ground beef patties.
Yeah.
And they chew like a regular texture.
Right, exactly. That's what's so amazing about them. And what about the flavors with the spices and stuff that I put in it?
These are great. These would be great for like a barbecue, holiday barbecue.
Yes.
So it actually does seem like I'm eating a real hamburger.
Nice.
So
Good.
yeah.
I just wanted to make sure. So yeah, so anyway guys, I enjoyed making these, and just let you know, I'm not trying to, because I know sometimes people think, well, if you're a vegan or vegetarian or trying to do a plant-based lifestyle, that why are you trying to mimic a burger? Why are you trying to eat something taste like a burger or make something taste like a burger? But that's sometimes when people are transitioning to the plant-based lifestyle, they need something that's more of a healthier choice, that they're not going to eat like animals, you know what I mean? Or trying to, and also with the meat out, especially now, it's full of a bunch of hormones and junk that's in it, you know. And some of the meats out there even fake, you know. You think this is fake, some of them are really fake, you know.
Yeah. So
anyway, it's just more of a healthier lifestyle choice. So that's why I just made the burger for him. Plus, you know, you miss having burgers and fries, right? To be honest, I mean, hey, and sometimes you just need that to satisfy that craving. So this is not something we eat every day.
No,
not at all.
But it would be nice to be more often. But
Right.
you know.
Right. So I'm also going to test this recipe, guys, and see if I can make like meatballs, you know, because I'm sure I can make some really good meatballs. Pasta and meatballs.
Yeah. You gotta do that like tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. I have been commissioned. All right. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, definitely. And if you like more videos like this, definitely subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you in the community. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.